everybody, it's Brad at Dayport Brothers LLC out here in Versailles, Ohio. Going to do another walk around video followed by an operational video on this 2013 Boxer 320 stand-on skid steer that came in and we're putting up for sale. Like always, I'll walk around, I'll talk about the features and functions, try to get up close to everything, talk about anything I see, then we'll start it up, kind of run it through its paces, show you all the functions, lift the loader up, dump the bucket. As always, if you are in the market for a used piece of equipment, a used piece of construction or farm equipment, please subscribe to the channel. Please like our videos. Your likes and subscriptions help other people find our videos that are looking for equipment like ours. And we truly, truly appreciate it. So, like I said, this one's a 2013 Boxer 320 stand-on skid steer. I just started up a little bit ago. It runs good. Hydraulics are very strong. The pins up here are fairly tight. There's a little bit of play in them, but not terrible. Tread life on the tracks. There's definitely some tread life left. I'm gonna say these are probably in the 35–40% range at least. They've got a few little cracks in them here or there, but nothing out of the ordinary. Definitely some life left in those tracks. Sprockets are really good. There's a lot of life left there. As you can see, the paint's still good here on the side rail. This one does have the stand-on platform and it has the springs, which is kind of nice. If you've ever been on one of these that doesn't have those springs, they ride a little rough. With the springs, they're a lot smoother riding around. Got your controls up here. Drive controls, loader controls. As you can see, fairly straight machine. I don't see anything out of the ordinary. No big patches or cracks or welds that I'm seeing anywhere. Bucket looks like it's pretty decent here. I don't think it's worn through in the corners like you'll see on a lot of them. Pretty straight up here in the front as well. Your auxiliary hydraulics. This one is powered by a Kohler gas engine. Has 682 hours, 381 pound lift capacity. All right, like I said, it's a 2013 Boxer 320, 682 hours. We'll get right into an operational video.